So if you lean forward to the camera here, you'll see that it's detecting the two of us. So that's what the robot is seeing.
Effectively, it's recognized that we're human beings. It's quite terrifying having a drone fly directly at you. It's completely flying on its own around me.
There's a technology revolution going on in our skies. Drones are smarter, faster, cheaper, and much more widespread than ever before.
That's so quick, isn't it?
It's doing barrel rolls.
Wow.
They are destined to transform all our lives in many positive ways, from delivering parcels and urgent medicines to helping with emergency relief and search and rescue. With drone technology evolving so fast, governments and the aviation industry are scrambling to understand the potential risks.
Already the skies above the UK are busier than they've ever been. That is an air disaster that's waiting to happen. It's not if this happens, it's when this happens.
And we all saw how easily drones can be misused to cause chaos during 36 hours of crisis at Gatwick.
All flights in and out of Gatwick have been suspended after 2 drones were seen flying near the runway.
Police say it is a deliberate act of disruption.
It's absolutely ludicrous.
You see that delayed. You know, some people have been messaging us this morning saying it feels like terrorism.
I'm Aldo Kane, a former Royal Marines commando, and now a high-risk advisor. I want to know just how real the threat is. Do our airports have the right defences in place to keep us safe from this newly emerging threat? And what would really happen if a drone hit a plane?
3, 2, 1.
And that looked catastrophic.
Drones do present a threat to all types of aircraft.
I'm heading to some of the world's leading research facilities to see where this technology is going.
So it's a dune buggy with a laser on top?
That's right.
And I'll also investigate how this new tech is being weaponized by terrorists.
So we're talking off-the-shelf, weaponized drones.
These drones would come over, start dropping bombs, 2, 3, 4 bombs on top of us. It still makes my heart beat faster.
We're entering a new age of drone technology, and I want to find out how and if we can keep ourselves safe.